Karachi in Dhurandhar, Fact versus Fiction. Dhurandhar depicts Karachi's Lyari as a war zone with gang wars, terrorism, and police raids. The film highlights violence and crime, showing a dark, dangerous cityscape filled with conflict. Critics say the film exaggerates crime and misrepresents street life, culture, and local language. Dhurandhar's Karachi. Real Lyari. Shown as a dark, crime-ridden battlefield with police raids and gang violence. A culturally rich neighborhood with strong community spirit and local pride. Lyari's rich heritage and talent. Known for football talent, Baloch and African roots, and a history of working-class dockworkers and artisans. Lyari's strength and resilience. Despite past conflicts, locals celebrate culture, peace, talent, and community spirit over violence. Key points. Dhurandhar exaggerates violence and misrepresents culture. Karachi is more than headlines, it's heritage and heart. Sindh government rejects the negative portrayal, highlighting harmony. Understanding real Karachi shows the need for accurate and fair media portrayals beyond stereotypes. Explore Karachi's true spirit beyond the screen. Celebrate its culture and resilience.